There's the culvert ramp. Hey guys, welcome back. So today's project, I was originally just going to have them dump the 1-inch base layer on this and start building it up from there, which is a common way to do it, but I wanted to save some money. I got to thinking of, you know, I probably could save 3 loads of base layer if I use clay. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dig a borrow pit in the woods. I'm going to build up this new driveway entrance, and it's going to save me about $1,200. Because then I'll put the base layer stone over the top of the clay once I get it in and built and compacted. So let's move some serious dirt with the track loader and build a ramp on this new driveway entrance, and then we'll So let's talk about the driveway permit required in this particular county here in Missouri. You can use clay. It doesn't specify, it just says you need to use a compactable material for the base. And then on top, you need to have a minimum of 4 inches of compactable gravel and fine gravel, 1 inch or less. So you ain't got like 2-inch rock going up on the highway and that. So it does conform to the permit requirements because clay is very compactable. So it is definitely usable as a base layer. Only way you'd really kind of screw this one up is if this clay was powder bone dry and you couldn't get any compaction. Then you're going to have a lot of weird settling afterwards. But since this is really wet, as you can see, I was able to get it compacted, and at the end of the video you'll see I actually let it dry a few days before we brought the stone in on it. Sure I didn't crush it. So let's talk about the DIY savings on this. If you were to hire this out, they'd use base layer, probably 3 loads to get that pipe settled in. So that's about $1,200, $400 a load. And then the 3 more loads to make a parking area to bring the gravel driveway in a little ways. So now you're at $2,400. and a skid steer, a minimum of 500, because this is probably an hour job, maybe 2 hours tops. So you're at 2,900. So, you know, they'd probably bid it around $3,000 or 32 or 300. But the fact that I was able to do this on my own, I saved the 3 loads of base layer around the pipe. So the only cost I had was the 3 loads of stone to bring it in. So that's $1,200. So, I mean, I saved probably almost $2,000, and you multiply that on every one of these you can do on your own. And it's pretty good. I mean, it's not necessarily rocket science, and it's enjoyable stuff, but there's a few things you really do got to be careful of. Trust me, I've screwed them up over the years, but that's how you learn. So that's how I pay for the machines over time, you know, a little bit at a time, every project at a time. Plus, I enjoy doing this stuff. So let's finish this one off. There's the culvert ramp. After look. Saved probably $1,200 right there. Alright, here's an after look of the first load of stone. This is 1 inch with packing material, so they call this base layer. This was really soft, as you saw in today's video, so I let it sit 4 or 5 days before we poured the gravel on it, and we're going to have 2 more loads brought in. This is going to be a new entrance and a new parking area for this particular piece of property. So we saved a lot of money by using the clay for the base down there, and then also me having the equipment to do it. The skid steer, the one that we're working on and hiring here, is $150 an hour. So the fact I could do it with the tractor, and of course the crawler loader, saves us a lot of money on the time as well. So this was a really good DIY project. If you liked it, hit the like button. Stay tuned to the channel. We document all this stuff. We love having you aboard. Soon we'll be selling this project property in individual parcels. It's just a really, really beautiful piece of land down here in southern Missouri. So thanks a lot. Have a great evening. I'll catch you on the next one.